Hi guys, welcome back to Get Free with Annie. That's me, I'm Annie. My channel is all about ways to get free. So time freedom is the most important. You can always make more money, but you can't make more time. So time freedom is when you don't have to trade your hour for a dollar amount of someone else's choosing. And that comes when you are financially free. So I wish that there would have been a channel that I could have gone to find honest reviews about the best and worst courses to help me to get free through online marketing, digital marketing, and passive income. So that's what I want this channel to be for you guys. I hope it helps you make decisions on what the best way for you is to get free, and let's get free together. Let's go. Welcome back to another review with Get Free with Annie. That's me, I'm Annie. Let's jump right into this review. What is it? Commission Hero is a very popular affiliate marketing course. It is a 3-step system to make commissions online through affiliate marketing. Who was it created by? It was created by this guy, Robbie Blanchard, a #1 affiliate of ClickBank in 2019. He has had $50,000 days on ClickBank in the past and shown proof of that. That is pretty crazy. What's different about it? There's a ton of positive student testimonials, like a ton. So, like more than you've ever seen in your life. So that's pretty neat. Also, he teaches Snapchat training, which I've never seen any other course or mentor or guru offer. That's cool because Snapchat is, I think, an untapped advertising platform. For sure. What's included? Tons of training videos, done for you landing pages, access to the private coaching group, over 20 ad images that Robbie has used himself, a Facebook training system, which is basically how to get more ad accounts on Facebook because they ban ad accounts a lot. Oh, and then bonuses. This is basically just he gets you better commissions from affiliates that he promotes to. So that's cool. Snapchat training, which we talked about. That's really cool. He teaches you email marketing. Facebook Insider Connection, which is basically him trying to teach you how to not get your ad accounts banned on Facebook because it happens all the time. So how does it work? Basically, he's helping you find products on ClickBank that you can promote, as well as Commission Hero because it's a ClickBank product. You create a landing page using ClickFunnels, and then you're advertising those funnels on Facebook using paid ads. That's the main way he's teaching you how to do things, and then you convert those into sales and collect a commission from the sales, which is affiliate marketing. Who is this course good for? Very beginner affiliate marketers that want to learn just how to use paid traffic, mostly from Facebook, and also anybody that has at least, I would say, a couple grand to spend on the course and Facebook ads. They are expensive. Who it's not for, I would say affiliate marketers that want to have longevity with their business, because you need to learn organic and free traffic strategies in order to do that, and Facebook paid ads is not a good way to do that. Pros, there's minimal fluff. He does make sales pitchy claims and stuff, but the actual course, minimal fluff, very practical. Robbie's definitely very well-known affiliate marketer, so he's not a fake guru. That's pro, and there's tons of positive testimonials from successful students. Cons. My cons section is kind of big. I really don't like it when things give you these outlandish values of everything. $23,000. No. Don't make me feel like I'm getting an amazing, like 90% discount and saving $22,000 or no. $23,000. No. That's a con. Don't do that to me. There's lots of hidden costs and upsells. You do have to pay for ads, which can cost more than $100 a day to actually start seeing real money with Facebook. You also have to pay for ClickFunnels, which is $97 per month, which he doesn't tell you up front. And it is recommended that you use ClickMagick software to track your campaigns, which is $27 per month. You also need an email autoresponder. They recommend Aweber, which is $29 per month. The total cost of all of these tools is around $150 per month that you need to budget for, and your ad spend as well that he does not talk to you about. So that's a big con. Another con, he mainly focuses on ClickBank. ClickBank products can be good sometimes, but most of them really aren't, and several of them are even considered kind of scammy. A lot of products get removed from ClickBank, so he recommends that you promote a lot of these horrible like weight loss products, which I'm not a fan of. If you feel okay with recommending terrible products to people, that's on you, but that's a con. Also, I don't know what kind of deal he made with ClickBank. Usually with ClickBank products, you're supposed to have a 60-day money-back guarantee. He somehow got his guarantee changed to 14 days. You have to wait an entire year before you can request it, and you have to show proof that you gave it your best shot, and doesn't really tell you how you're gonna do that. Good luck with getting your refund. Okay, this con section is getting kind of long, so I'm going to wrap it up here real quick. Facebook paid ads are the devil, especially when you're promoting products like weight loss products like he recommends. Facebook is going to ban your shit so fast, and then your whole business is just going to be done. I know, I've had that happen to me before. So the fact that he is mainly teaching you Facebook paid ads, huge con. Also, Robbie's program has thousands and thousands and thousands of students all getting the same done-for-you landing pages and ads created for them, so your content is going to be oversaturated and not unique, and your competition is going to be high. What does it cost? As I said before, there are plenty of other costs that he doesn't tell you about or go into in the beginning, but the cost just for the course is $997, so $1,000, or 2 payments of $600. And remember, also ClickFunnels, $100 a month, Aweber email software, $30 a month, and paid ads. Final thoughts: there are some obvious problems. It is still a legit affiliate marketing course that teaches paid traffic. However, paid Facebook ads are very risky and frustrating, and they are the main way that you will be making money with this course. So my final verdict is that I do not recommend this course due to the fact that it teaches mainly paid Facebook ads for traffic. Traffic is the way that you make money with your affiliate marketing, and if you are only learning how to get traffic through paid Facebook ads, you're going to hate life. I've been through it. I lost over $7,000 on Facebook ads just to have all 25 of my ad accounts banned. I had to completely start over with a new business model after tons and tons of work. It's just really frustrating, especially when you're promoting products that Facebook frowns upon, like weight loss products that aren't great. So I do not recommend this course. Thanks for tuning in for another review with Get Free with Annie. Go out and get free.